One of the most important things for me in opening my own office was that it be patient-centered. When a patient comes in and the main reason that they're here is they're having trouble seeing, things are blurry or they're seeing double, and I find a prescription and basically make their problem go away, it really feels great, especially if they put on glasses for the first time, they've never worn them before, and they go, wow, they didn't realize what they were missing, particularly with kids who don't realize, they don't really understand the concept of blur, and they think everybody sees that way. So that's something that is still exciting for me after almost 12 years of doing this. And contact lens patients as well, very exciting. When somebody puts on contacts for the first time and they can see without wearing glasses, that feeling or sense of freedom that they get is really exciting for me to see. So I wanted to make sure with my own office that there was a lot of empathy, not just from myself, but anybody that works in my office tries to put ourselves in the patient's shoes, so to speak, and really go out there for the patient. We like to call it knock your socks off service, but we really mean that we treat each person as an individual. Everybody's eyes are different, so you have individualized treatment and diagnosis. We are respectful of your time, because we know that that's important. One decision that we made early on was to start out with electronic medical records or paperless. This was important to me, both in maintaining the kind of high-tech aspect of our office, but it's also important for the patients in terms of retrievability of data and also security. Everything's password protected, there are no files lying around. We're also minimizing significantly the use of paper in our office. We were recently named a certified green business, Bay Area Green Business, which I'm very proud of. And in general, we're kind of ahead of the curve, whereas some practices are going to be busy scanning in all of their records from the past 20 years. We started out paperless, so we're already there in terms of the electronic medical records. One of the benefits of starting from scratch, opening a business cold, as opposed to buying a previously existing practice, and we opened cold, was that I got to choose whatever equipment I wanted for my office. And I chose state-of-the-art, high-tech diagnostic equipment that helps me and also makes it easier for the patient in terms of the ease of the exam. And things like the retinal camera, whereby if I find any pathology, I can document it. So, or send it to a retinal specialist or any other doctor that the patient might want me to send it to. I also always offer to email a picture of the person's retinal photos, which I think is a really nice benefit, and most patients enjoy that as well. One of the pieces of equipment that we have here that many of our patients comment on, that it's something they haven't seen before, that's different here, is the automated refraction system. This is the part of the exam that determines the glasses prescription. It starts out in the pre-testing area where we use an autorefractor to give me a preliminary prescription information. And if the patient currently has a pair of glasses, we use the automated lensometer that tells us what the current prescription is. All of that information gets sent into the phoropter here, and instead of me controlling it with touching dials on the side, everything is controlled from this little monitor here. There's a virtual eye chart in this instrument. It doesn't really exist. The exam is a lot quicker. I feel it's a lot more accurate. The patients enjoy it because of the speed of the exam, and it's a lot of the questions that I ask them are easier. And they feel a little bit less stressed out by it. And I enjoy it because I feel that I'm giving the patient the best prescription possible. If you'd like to come and visit us to make an appointment, please call us at 650-968-3937 or visit us at our website, www.pacificeyecareoptometry.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.